Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In previous video, we have learned how to draw orthographic view of particular object, right? Let's take another example. Try to draw the orthographic view of this object. Okay, if you are following my video, then I suggest you just pause the video at this point and try to solve the orthographic view of this object by yourself. Whenever you are ready, you can continue with the video to verify your solution. So let's start. So first step is identify the relative position of a front view, side view and top view in first angle projection system. So we are drawing it in a first angle projection system. This is my direction of observer, isn't it? So this would be my front view. For a side view, I have to compulsorily view from this side. So this would become my side view, right? So for a side view, we are viewing from the left side of the observer. So this would become my left hand side view. Okay, or for top view, we are observing from the top. So if I draw my front view over here, then in a first angle projection systems, left hand side view should be drawn on the right side of the object and top view should be drawn below the front view. So this would be my relative position of a front view and side view. So I have to start my drawing from the left side of the page, right? So that my side view, left hand side view can be drawn on the right side of the front view, right? So this is our first step. Next step is identify the maximum dimension of the object L, B and H. L is nothing but horizontal dimension in front view. So we are observing from this. So this is the maximum dimension, horizontal dimension in front view. So that is the diameter equal to 50. So maximum L is 50. H is nothing but vertical dimension in front view. So vertical dimension for height, we have to find out this vertical dimension, maximum height, right? So here 60 millimeter is given. That is nothing but the center of this smaller circle and center of this smaller bigger circle. So distance between these two center is given. So that is around 60, isn't it? So we have measure up to this. So from this point onwards, this distance is still remaining to add into that particular height. So the diameter of outer circle is given over here 24. So radius would be 12. So 60 plus 12. So this would be 72. Similar way, we have to add the diameter of this outer circle over here. So from this center point to radius of this circle is 25. So 72 plus 25. So that would be total 97. So height of the object is 97. And maximum breadth of the object, I have to view from this left hand side. So maximum breadth of the object is 38. Here it would be 28. So maximum breadth is 38. These are my dimension, maximum dimension of the object in L, B and H. So for a front view, which two dimensions are visible? In a front view, this length and height. So if I make a rectangle of 50 by 97, so in that particular rectangle, I can fix my front view, right? So let's start drawing the front view. Let's first take a horizontal reference and a vertical reference. Horizontal reference is generally known as XY line. That is nothing but intersection of horizontal and vertical plane. So this is my horizontal reference and this is my vertical reference. Now let's first draw the rectangle of 50 by 97. So this is my rectangle. Now whenever there is a circular entity in the object, you have to first locate the center line, right? But before locating the center line, let's identify the surfaces which are visible in a front view. So when I view from this side, this surface is visible. This wave, inclined wave, is also visible. This surface is visible, and this surface is visible. Same surface would be on the other side of the object as well, because object is symmetric, right? So these are the surfaces which are visible in a front view. So let's first locate the center line of this circle. So center line of this circle is at a distance of 25 from this extreme edge, isn't it? So let's take a distance of 25. So this is my center line of that circle. Now to locate the center will exactly lie at the center of this length. So let's locate at 25 millimeter. Since our object is symmetric about this vertical line, so we can even extend our line of symmetry throughout this height. Draw a line of So this is my line of symmetry. Now let's draw this circle by taking this point as a center, and while viewing from the front there will be two circles, right? So this would be my inner circle having the radius diameter 30 millimeter, and outer circle having diameter 50 millimeter. So this is my outer circle. Now draw the inner circle having diameter 30. So mark a point at a distance of 15 millimeter. So two circle I have drawn, this two circle, isn't it? Now let's draw this two circle. So we know the distance between this horizontal center line and this center line is 60 millimeter. So we mark a point at a distance of 60 millimeter. So this would be the center of that circle. Let's first draw the outer circle having diameter 24. So radius equal to 12. Now let's draw the inner circle having radius 6. So this is my inner circle. Alright. So most of the part of the front view is completed. Now this wave portion. So there are two waves, right? One is over here, which is also inclined, and this is also inclined. So this inclined edge will be represented as a rectangle, right? So from a line of symmetry, we will take 4 millimeter on both this side and draw this two vertical line joining this two circle. So this is my wave. Now we have to draw this inclined wave on both the side of the object, right? So it will be just represented as a straight line while observing from the front. So we have to draw a tangent to this two outer circle. One is over here, another is over here. But before that, let's erase the construction line or construction box that we have created to draw this. Let's draw the tangent to these two circles. So this is my complete front view, right? I hope you understand the concept. If you have tried to solve this problem, compare your result with this. If there is any mismatch, find out your mistakes and make it correct. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for such a more content, and we'll see you in the next video. In the next video, we will make a top view of this object.